Welcome to VU Gate. Today, we are covering the most important MCQs of CS611, Software Quality Engineering, to ensure you're fully prepared for your exams. Question 1. Which quality model consists of 6 main characteristics and 27 subcharacteristics? The correct answer is option C, ISO 9126. Question 2. In reliability engineering, what does MTTF stand for? The correct answer is option C, mean time to failure. Question 3. Which testing technique is used to test the interaction between integrated components? The correct answer is option B, integration testing. Question 4. What is the primary purpose of a fishbone diagram? The correct answer is option A, to identify root causes of defects. Question 5. Which metric measures the ratio of successful test cases to total test cases? The correct answer is option B, test case effectiveness. Question 6. What does CMMI Level 3 indicate? The correct answer is option C, defined process. Question 7. Which technique uses statistical methods to control process quality? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 8. What is the main objective of failure mode and effects analysis? FMEA? The correct answer is option A, to identify potential failure modes and their impact. Question 9. Which type of testing focuses on business requirements rather than code structure? The correct answer is option B, black box testing. Question 10. What does COQ stand for in quality management? The correct answer is option A, cost of quality. Question 11. Which technique is used to prioritize defects based on their frequency? The correct answer is option A, Pareto analysis. Question 12. What is the purpose of a quality gate in software development? The correct answer is option A, to ensure quality criteria are met before proceeding. Question 13. Which standard provides guidelines for software quality assurance? The correct answer is option B, IEEE 730. Question 14. What does Six Sigma aim to achieve? The correct answer is option A, 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Question 15. Which testing level validates the complete system against requirements? The correct answer is option C, system testing. Question 16. What is the main focus of usability testing? The correct answer is option A, user experience and ease of use. Question 17. Which metric measures the number of defects found per size unit? The correct answer is option A, defect density. Question 18. What does DRE stand for in software quality? The correct answer is option A, defect removal efficiency. Question 19. Which technique involves reviewing code without executing it? The correct answer is option A, static testing. Question 20. What is the purpose of a quality audit? The correct answer is option A, to evaluate process compliance. Question 21. Which model combines capability maturity with people management? The correct answer is option B, people CMM. Question 22. What does beta testing involve? The correct answer is option A, testing by end users in real environment. Question 23. Which chart is used to track defect trends over time? The correct answer is option A, control chart. Question 24. What is the main goal of configuration management? The correct answer is option A, to control changes to software artifacts. Question 25. Which testing technique is used to test system behavior under extreme conditions? The correct answer is option A, stress testing. Question 26. What does quality assurance primarily focus on? The correct answer is option A, preventing defects. Question 27. Which standard defines software lifecycle processes? The correct answer is option A, ISO 12207. Question 28. What is the purpose of a test plan? The correct answer is option A, to outline testing strategy and approach. Question 29. Which metric measures the time taken to fix defects? The correct answer is option A, defect age. Question 30. What does quality control primarily involve? The correct answer is option A, finding and fixing defects. Question 31. Which technique uses mathematical models to predict reliability? The correct answer is option A, software reliability growth models. Question 32. What is the main purpose of a quality manual? The correct answer is option A, to document quality policies and procedures. Question 33. Which testing type validates system recovery after failure? The correct answer is option A, recovery testing. Question 34. What does peer review involve? The correct answer is option A, evaluation by colleagues. Question 35. Which chart shows relationship between two variables? The correct answer is option A, scatter plot. Question 36. What is the primary focus of maintainability? The correct answer is option A, ease of modification. Question 37. Which testing technique uses decision tables? The correct answer is option A, black box testing. Question 38. What does quality policy define? The correct answer is option A, organization's quality objectives. Question 39. Which metric measures test coverage of requirements? The correct answer is option A, requirements coverage. Question 40. What is the purpose of traceability matrix? The correct answer is option A, to link requirements to test cases. Question 41. Which technique involves testing without predefined test cases? The correct answer is option A, exploratory testing. Question 42. What does quality attribute refer to? The correct answer is option A, non-functional requirement. Question 43. Which testing validates system with other systems? The correct answer is option A, interoperability testing. Question 44. What is the main goal of process improvement? The correct answer is option A, to enhance efficiency and quality. Question 45. Which technique uses orthogonal arrays for testing? The correct answer is option A, orthogonal array testing. Question 46. What does quality management system encompass? The correct answer is option A, all quality-related activities. Question 47. Which testing focuses on security vulnerabilities? The correct answer is option A, penetration testing. Question 48. What is the purpose of quality metrics? The correct answer is option A, to quantify quality characteristics. Question 49. Which technique involves comparing products with competitors? The correct answer is option A, benchmarking. Question 50. What does quality culture emphasize? The correct answer is option A, organization-wide commitment to quality. Question 51. Which testing validates system under expected load? The correct answer is option A, load testing. Question 52. What is the main purpose of root cause analysis? The correct answer is option A, to identify underlying causes of defects. Question 53. Which metric measures percentage of defects found before release? The correct answer is option A, defect removal efficiency. Question 54. What does quality planning involve? The correct answer is option A, defining quality objectives and processes. Question 55. Which technique uses simulation models for testing? The correct answer is option A, model-based testing. Question 56. What is the focus of portability testing? The correct answer is option A, system performance across environments. Question 57. Which standard provides guidelines for software verification and validation? The correct answer is option A, IEEE 1012. Question 58. What does quality improvement aim to achieve? The correct answer is option A, continuous enhancement of processes. Question 59. Which testing technique uses state transition diagrams? The correct answer is option A, state transition testing. Question 60. What is the purpose of quality records? The correct answer is option A, to provide evidence of quality activities. Question 61. Which technique involves testing based on risks? The correct answer is option A, risk-based testing. Question 62. What does software quality encompass? The correct answer is option A, all characteristics satisfying stated needs. Question 63. Which testing validates system over extended period? The correct answer is option A, soak testing. Question 64. What is the main goal of defect prevention? The correct answer is option A, to avoid defects before they occur. Question 65. Which metric measures customer satisfaction? The correct answer is option A, customer satisfaction index. Question 66. What does quality assessment involve? The correct answer is option A, evaluating process and product quality. Question 67. Which testing technique uses use cases? The correct answer is option A, use case testing. Question 68. What is the purpose of quality standards? The correct answer is option A, to provide benchmarks for quality. Question 69. Which technique involves independent assessment? The correct answer is option A, third-party audit. Question 70. What does total quality management emphasize? The correct answer is option A, organization-wide quality focus.